back. In this video, we are going to be looking at entering data into our worksheet. Generally, whenever you create a new worksheet, the first thing to do is to enter data into the worksheet. So how do we achieve this? Let me zoom a little bit so that we can see clearly. On the platform, this data set was being dropped for us to enter into our worksheet environment. So we are going to be starting with this data set. So I'll start by clicking on the cell I want to type on. That's the first step. Step 1, click on the cell that you want to type on. Then start typing with your keyboard. Long list of fruits. Then I'll give just a space, as you can see. Then down here I'll click or use my down arrow button to come there. Then I'm going to type ID in capital letter. Then next I'll click my right arrow button. I'll type sales date. Then my right arrow button, sales person. Then right arrow button, category. Let me move it to see the next one. The next one is fruit and then commission. So I'll use my right arrow button. I'll type fruits. Then I will now type commission. Then I'll give a percent sign, shift and 5. Then that's all I have. Now after entering this data, I'll need to widen my cells so that they can fill in. You can see that the data here is overlapping on the data here. The data here is overlapping on the next cell. So I'm going to widen this field. So you come up here, you place your mouse between B and C, and then you widen the cell. I drag it towards the right. I'll do the same for this. I'll place my mouse between C and D, and I'll widen the cell. Then I'll do this for this also, widen the cell. Then I do it for the last one too, I widen the cell. After I've done that, then I can now enter the remaining ones, the numbers. So I type 1 here, then I can now use my fill series to fill it down, but let's just do it manually for now. We might look at that later. Then you have 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. Then to type in this, you just type 1/1/2010. So that's 1/1/2010. Then move. Then this one is imported grapes and then 4%. Then here we have imported. Then we have the category is what? Sorry, the salesperson is Jack. So I'm going to type Jack. Then I'm going to come to the right hand side. Then I will type imported under the category. Then the next thing is grapes, then 4%. The fruit is grapes, so I'm going to type grapes. Then the last thing here is 4%. The movement of the spreadsheet as I'm typing is because of the zoom that I'm using so that we can see it clearly. But when you are doing yours, the worksheet will not be moving as you are typing. So let's take note of that. So having done this, now I want to believe you have been able to understand how to enter data into a worksheet. So all you just need to do is click on the sheets, click on it, and then type using your keyboard. See you in the next video with a complete data set, and then we look at the next thing, the next action we need to perform on them. Thank you.